Hey boys, are you ready for the ride? So today is the day 3 of open source contribution challenge, and I am here with Yuki. Yeah, it should be Yuki. Yeah, Yuki. So I'll tell you the whole story. What happened was, after my decision from yesterday, today what I did is I've been to here to sandbox projects, and randomly I was picking random projects and checking their repository, seeing if I can fix something or something like that, trying to understand or like trying to pick a repository to contribute on. And I got one. I am like today I actually made a list of it. Like I took a notebook, went to my old style, how I used to do it years ago. So I picked my notebook, started writing the name of the repository, that this have this much contributions going on per week. Some of the repositories up here don't have any contribution. It's like this week. Not sure why, but there are, and all of them have some kind of bot for dependency for peer, like peer review or summarization and things like that. So those bots are very active. Other than that, some of the repositories have no one active and replying. So today, after like I didn't be go very sequentially, to be honest. I did just go for something whose logo was good, and this one actually is second last one which I did contribute to. And the only reason I picked it was that it have a crab, and I thought it's written in us. Okay, that does that even matter? Well, I might be contributing further to this repository. There are issues to fix, and it's not super active, but yeah, it's active. And see up here, see. This one is a bot. This one is also a bot. Other than that, these four people are like someone who is contributing it to it. And the max someone is contributing is like two commits this week. So if I can make more commits than them, then I'll be someone who is highlighted. Well, that's just a dream for now, but I don't know. So I'll tell you what are the things up here. I just checked this. Bill from source failed, and it was like a bug. And I thought, let me just see this. And I'll tell you, accidentally, it was accident. This thing is like someone is trying to install it on a Arc based system. I just saw this PKG print and I was like, okay. I wasn't like checking everything like because just by seeing this, it wasn't making much sense to me. But I saw this PKG print and it literally hit my mind, and I was like, okay, let me see what's there. Then I saw this guy is actually trying to do it, like install Yuki from Arc, and this guy Yutem, I should tell you, do you remember? Remember him? We just saw him here. This guy, you okay, Toru Komasato. Let me follow him. Toru Komatsu. Yeah. Well, hard to pronounce. Hey, don't be offended, man. You're from Japan. I Well, so the overall thing is that I'm a little excited today about it. That I just saw, and he said we haven't make PKG yet. Do you intend to contribute? And here is the thing. Here is the thing. So, as you might know, by the way, I use Arc. Yeah, really. Uh, yeah, see, man. See. Okay, fine. I think I have a cooler way to say show it like me. Very cool. By the way, I use Arc. Yeah. So it was a my thing. The bread was hanging. I just pinned to its README, looked at how to build it. I just saw that I just only thing I need to do is just run this. Just run this. Just build. Yeah, that's it. And then these are two commands which you can try to run the this thing. If you are interested what it is, then it is actually a container runtime, something like runc. If you are a little bit familiar with Docker, then you should know that it is something which gonna be managing a container, one container, like a runtime for a container. So up here, you just build it and you can just run it with either Podman or Docker. I wasn't able to make this happen like with Docker, but I installed Podman and tried it, and I was like very happy that okay, I can build it. I'm on very good position now. Then, like literally, I went and I started reading the articles, the best article. Yeah, I will say I've been here many times, several times. I saw all the fields, I saw everything, read it, but I always forget and I just came back, come back, come back. So the whole thing has been like I just saw it and I started making the changes. This one is the okay. I wrote this pkg build and it's very simple. It just says that go download the source. This is the hash. This is to build. Just get inside the folder and say just build. And for package, you can just get inside the folder and copy the binary and license. That's it. And for the people who don't want to build it themselves, they can go for the binary packages. We have something like this. Okay, up here, two things to note, which I did even mention in the PR. First of all, I was not sure where to put it, where to keep it. Like in most of the projects, even like say Paru is a good project. Yeah, if you can see up here, you will see that they have kept it separate in some separate kit. So I was not sure if I should like really put it with that. I thought I should make extra directory for it, but then I'm not sure. So I created a contrib and a directory name. Right. So I made a directory contrib inside that Arch Linux pkg, and still I am not sure if this is a good approach, but did I mention it? Yeah, I should mention it this. Filter, yeah. I think this I rate it. Is this spelling correct? SCP versus SCPR. And hey, I don't leave it. Leave it. I don't have any idea what's correct. Let it be separate or separate. Separate is that. Well, that's all. That's all for today. And it's the first contribution in this challenge, and we nailed it. We nailed it, man. We nailed it. Yeah. So thank you. That's all for today.